Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Iptv SmartOS Pro on Google TV. So you have to turn on the developer option because most of the user, I'm sure they didn't turn on the developer option. So navigate to the settings on your Google TV, scroll down to the system and select about, locate Android TV operating system build and press the select button 7 times or 8 times. This will enable developer option. Go back to the settings, select apps, then go to the special app access, find install unknown apps and select the downloader app, which you will install next. Go to the Google Play Store on your Google TV, search for and install the downloader app. Open the downloader app in the URL field, enter the link of the IPTV Smartest Pro APK. You can find this on their official website through a trusted source. Click Go to download the APK file. Once the download is complete, a prompt will appear asking if you want to install the app. Click on Install to proceed with the installation. After installation, you can open IPTV Smartest Pro directly from the installation screen or find it in your app list. Launch the app and log in into your subscription details provided by your IPTV service provider. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you find the solution. If you didn't, let us know in the comment box.